how to pair or connect your Apple AirPods Pro 3rd generation to the Samsung Smart TV. So first, on your AirPods, we need to put it into a pairing mode. So open the case with your AirPods inside, and at the back here, there is a white small button. So you press on this round button right here. So press and hold. So press and hold until you see the light start to flashes in white. So you can hear it make a sound, and the light starting to flashes in white. Now back to the TV, we're going to press on the home button on the remote control. Then we press on the left button and go into settings. So in settings, click on it. Then we go down and click on sound. Then we go down and click on sound output right there. Next, press on the down button and click on Bluetooth speaker list. And now it is searching for the AirPods. Now you see here, it says AirPods Pro needs pairing. So you press on the button and then click on pair and connect. So press on the middle button right here on the remote control. And it should make a sound. It says now connected. Click on OK. And then click on close. And that's it. We have now successfully paired your Apple AirPods Pro 3rd generation to the Samsung Smart TV. Now press on the home button to return back to your home screen. And from now on, when you play music, you can choose your Apple AirPods as an audio output. Now to switch your audio output between the TV speaker and your Apple AirPods or the soundbar, all you have to do is click on the remote control and go into the settings. In settings, press on the up buttons and we scroll across to sound output, and then you press on it and it will rotate to receiver, soundbar, and then optical, and then press on it again. So press it until it goes to Apple AirPods. Now, if it does not show your Apple AirPods, you may need to close the case and reopen it to re-establish the connections. So here it is now connected, so we can switch between TV speakers and AirPods Pro. So make sure you select AirPods Pro so that the sound will output to your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.